gonna start.
So she started from the outer corner of the concealer and she just dab like she said. So I'll do the same thing. When you're into makeup, you never stop learning. You just have to learn different techniques from different people, try to use different products. You never can tell what works for you. I know it's good to stick to something you already know or something you're used to, but it's also not bad to learn something new. This is one of the best techniques that I've learned in a very long while. As you can see, my nose is looking really snatched without any harsh contour line. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys are well. So there's this video going around on YouTube, like other YouTubers following their favorite YouTubers makeup tutorial. So today's video I chose one of AINA's makeup tutorial, and it's the non-touring how to fake nose contouring video. So guys, I've been meaning to change the method in which I contour my nose, because I actually don't like that harsh contour line that I get each time I contour my nose. So when I saw this video some months ago, I really wanted to try it, but along the line I forgot. So when I thought about filming one of my favorite YouTubers makeup tutorial, I came across this video and I decided to put it into practice. So I'm going to be trying out this method. If I like it, I'll stick to it, but if I don't like it, I'll go back to my old method of contouring my nose. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. So I might not have all the products that she's going to use for this video, but I'm going to use the one that works for me, okay? So I don't have the brush that she used to blend out her nose contour, but I'm going to be using this brush. It's a bit similar to the one that she used, and she used a dark contour shade that works for her, so I'm going to use the one that I have. So she made dots like this
wands because they're super small, very slim, and as you can see, they let you get right into those corners. Starting literally at the brow, I'm just gonna draw some dots.
So I'm repeating
right
the same.
My eye tear duct ends.
I think I took mine a bit too far, but no problem.
I'm gonna take that E50 brush, and by patting it, I'm buffing it out and softening it and pulling it into the inner eye. Now this may look really dark.
I don't know if this is going to come out right, but
as you all know, makeup is a process. Sometimes that process is a lot of steps for us to get to the final.
Jackie, I think mine is too dark. Ooh, this is deep.
I'm gonna take Walnut from Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is a really yellow color, but I use this underneath Amande, so bear with me. I'm now taking Amande and literally right in my inner tear duct, drawing all the way down to the corner
and drag it all the way down.
It's about to pop off. Follow along, because don't even blink, you might miss it, okay? Going on the other side, the inner tear duct going straight down. Then, because I like to highlight the center of my nosy, I'm gonna go right up and down into my forehead, aka the 5 head. All that empty space, we're filling it in with concealer now. I highlight. Game, we we take contouring very serious in
I don't even know if this is going to work for me, but yeah. So she started from the outer corner of the concealer and she just dab like she said. So I'll do the same thing. And then she took it a little bit into the contour, so I'm going to dab it also.
Just a little bit though, just a little bit, just to soften it up. So do you see what I just did? Just barely tap over.
So she extended the concealer also to her eyelid, which I'm doing. I think this whole thing is coming together. To set the concealer, she used the Beauty Bakery setting powder. I'm going to be using my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. So she dabbed it in the setting powder and also dabbed it at the back of her hand before applying it on the highlighted part. So
there's definitely different sponges you can use for this step. The Veramona sponge is actually highlight in the center of my forehead, and I can take the same step and I will also take that powder going down the middle of my nose, keeps the shine out the way. Hi Gucci! Make sure wherever you start your brows literally follows that line. Like the contour literally goes into my eyebrows, and that's also where I'm gonna.
I've never done foundation and highlighting before eyebrow. This is my first time of doing this method. I mean, there's always a first time, and it's always good to learn something different. You never can tell.
And in addition to applying this on my lid, I also follow the natural shape of my eye, and I fill in by moving around the contour. So I'm not going to blend that too hard.
I'm going to blend that out using a brush. So she used a bronzer to add more shadow to her nose. I'm going to be using my face powder by NYX, and it's the No Filter finishing powder in mahogany.
Dab off the excess color and then stamp right over it. Now notice how I'm using my bronzer and not my bronzer has no shimmer in it whatsoever.
And then she went ahead and applied the same highlighter here.
The bridge of your nose, it really is up to you. Once everything is done from far away, you get a nose that is going to photograph beautifully, but not really compromise the.
So guys, this is the final results, and I hope it wasn't that bad. This video actually helped me to learn other methods. Like, I never used to do foundation, highlight and contour before doing my eyebrow. I did that today. And also, I've never really done eyebrow without using concealer to clean it up. Today I did my eyebrow without using concealer to clean it up, and it's not looking bad at all. And also, this method of contouring my nose, I'm not gonna say it was stressful because it's my first time, so it was kind of a bit stressful for me, and it took a whole lot of time for me to blend it to get to this point. When you're into makeup, you never stop learning. You just have to learn different techniques from different people, try to use different products. You never can tell what works for you. I know it's good to stick to something you already know or something you're used to, but it's also not bad to learn something new. This is one of the best techniques that I've learned in a very long while. As you can see, my nose is looking really snatched without any harsh contour line, and it looks really flawless as well. It blends really well with my skin. Yeah guys, so if you find this video to be fun and interesting or helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from me. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.